So guys, me and my dad are gonna be cooking. I don't know what we're cooking, but we did wash the potatoes. Get him. That's him cooking over there. He has to get the potatoes out. I'm gonna be a scientist when I grow up. So when you have potatoes and they have some more like dirty stuff on it, oh my god. You have to take them out and then that's it. And then you dump the nasty water out and then put no more water. Then you put the potatoes back in. Yeah, I don't know. I made this. I made it to a shirt because this is cooking. This right here, is for cooking. So once I take this off, there's gonna be master deals. I have to keep this on. It kind of comes off when you need it to come off. Oh yeah. So this is what else we can do. Roll it up. On Thursday, I'm having a sleepover at my cousin's house. And then you put one arm in. Makes it look like this. So then you put the other arm in. Right now my dad's about to finish the potatoes. Make it a thing. Oh, don't make it that. Don't make it that. That's me one. And pretty much it was when I was like 4 years old.
Junior, ¿me puedes hacer el arroz, por favor?
Yeah, sorry. Got some watermelon here.
What'd you say?
Arroz.
Oh,
Got some watermelon.
I thought you said low. What about our
I got a big watermelon.
Right. Tango. Elbows.
Guarda los platos estos. No, guárdalos.
Alright.
And then after my dad's done doing that, I am gonna put all the potatoes in the bowl. In this
It's hot.
bowl. And then the last one, I'll be right back, y'all. Put the camera on my dad. So Dad, tell him in Spanish what we're cooking, okay? And then you can tell him everything that you like to do with me. Okay, Dad.
Estoy haciendo carne molida con papas, con cebolla, tomate, un chile. Es todo.